Greetings everyone. Today I'll be making gyudon for my lunch. Here's the list of ingredients that you will need. Super easy and delicious. Gyudon, or beef bowl as it is more commonly translated as, is a Japanese donburi dish that consists of white rice topped with thinly sliced beef simmered in a Japanese-style soy broth. You can find variations of this dish all over the internet, with additional ingredients added or with varying protein. This is how I make this iconic Japanese dish, and I hope you'll enjoy watching this and maybe try it out yourself. First, start by prepping the Bonito infused sauce the night prior. This is dry kelp, or more specifically, Makonbu. Makonbu is one variety of many Japanese konbu, harvested and produced in Hokkaido, which is perfect for making dashi. In a container of your choosing, add in half a piece of konbu, together with 150 ml of soy sauce. Mix in 75 ml each of mirin and sake, then throw in a piece of dry shitake mushroom. Cover and let it sit in room temperature overnight, or for at least 4 hours. The next day, pour your konbu soaked mixture into a saucepan and heat it up. When the mixture is close to boiling, remove the konbu and let the mixture come to a complete boil. Once boiled, you want to give it some time to cook off the alcohol scent. Once the scent is gone, turn off the heat and throw in the bag of Bonito flakes. Steep the Bonito flakes for 5 minutes, then strain them out. The compound effect of the glutamic acid from the konbu and the inosinic acid from the Bonito flakes should turn your sauce into an umami bomb that will taste amazing when we make our gyudon. I have a quarter of leftover onions that has already been cut along the grains into strips. Here's a plate of thinly sliced beef that I got from my grocer. All I'm going to do is to tear them into smaller pieces. This is purely my own preference, as I like smaller slices, so feel free to leave it as whatever size you prefer. Before we start, make sure you already have your rice cooked, as this dish comes together in minutes and is best served right away. Throw everything into the pan, the beef, the onions, and pour over some of your sauce while the pan is still heating up. Be careful with the sauce, as it is pretty salty, and the beef is quite thin, so you only need enough to barely cover the meat. Once everything is inside, start mixing. As the mixture is coming up to a boil and your beef is being cooked, a lot of liquid will release from the beef. Once the meat is fully cooked and the onions are tender, add in a splash of water and we're ready to plate up. With rice in your bowl, top it with beef and onions, then pour some sauce over it. Garnish with green onions and we're ready to eat. Other than the soy sauce mixture, this dish came together in minutes. Assuming you have leftover sauce, this is perfect for a weeknight meal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment if you have any questions about my recipe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.